Okay, during this heat wave, it's important we keep our horses nice and cool, or they can suffer from heat stroke, amongst other things from their body temperature getting too hot. So I thought I would share a couple precautions we take in order to keep our horses nice and cool. First thing we did when we set up our horse stable is we give them automatic access in and out, so they have access to shade all the time if they want it. So our horse run is always open. During the day, right now, they are having their hay in their stable. They can come out if they want to, but this encourages them to stay out of the harsh rays of the sun. And then at nighttime, that's when they go out into the open pasture. We do it just like my friend Elizabeth does. So then the other thing that we do is I make sure they have fly spray on, because when they're sweating, that's going to attract the flies. We want to keep them as comfortable as we can. In our water tank, I make sure it's nice and full, and I keep a couple of ice packs floating in there. This encourages them to keep drinking with that nice cool water. We have a mister, and I just keep the hose running, so if they want to cool off with water, which Dozer loves, she can stand here and do that. And then the last thing that I do, which I don't know if it makes a huge difference, but it would be good for me, is, hey baby girl, easy, is I keep their hair braided. Let's see if you can see, there it is. Keep their hair braided so that way it's off of their neck, and that sweat can help cool down their body by perspiring a little bit better. And then, oh yeah, something very important I should show is we have box fans, and the way that I have those is I just hung them up, you can see it right there, in a hay feeder, and I just hang them off a hook in front of their stalls. So there's one in this stall, which is Dozer's, and usually she likes to hang out in front of that, and then the other one is up there in the corner, again hanging in a hay feeder back. So those are some of the things that we do to keep our horses a little more comfortable, and you can see she's only a tiny bit sweaty. It's about noon now, so we're quickly approaching the highest temperature of the day. They stay nice and cool in their little stable there. Very deep, so they're definitely out of the sun, in deep shade. Happy horses, happy horse mama. All right, have a good day.